In this video, I wanted to do another example of how to create, I guess, a little bit more of an opening in the roof. We did this skylight before, and we just did another video showing kind of a Clerestory here. But maybe one of the strategies actually is to almost pop up this roof and kind of eliminate it in one spot. And so what I mean by that, maybe I'll just do a quick sketch here on the screen, is maybe the roof cuts here and almost like pops up. And I can't really draw this very well on here. Let me fix that a little bit. Drops up like this, and we have some windows coming out of there. So my sketch is bad, but anyways, that's the idea. So to start here, let's actually just model a bit of a roof. And so I guess the one thing I'm kind of thinking about is maybe this Clerestory is a little bit too long to do this because you don't really keep much on the sides. But I will do it anyways. But I think maybe if we were to do it on 3 panels, not 4, it might make a little bit more sense. But anyways, again, let's continue on as is. So let's go to a roof plan, ceiling peak plan here. And what I want to do is I want to get some reference planes of where those windows are. So we can't see them there. So let's go into our south elevation. And I'm going to go RP on the keyboard. And we're just going to draw some reference planes in these locations. And we want to do that just so we have, I guess, a bearing of where we're starting our roof from. So with that area there, we probably want to copy these over 150 millimeters. And that's just so that we have enough space on the side, potentially for some wall or for some structure. You probably want probably 300 millimeters, but I'll just stick with that for now. And so here's kind of the concept. What we'll do is we're going to essentially create a bit of a flip of the roof here, I guess you could say. And what I might do is I might make this a little bit lopsided. I want to get away from that valley that's there. So I'm going to make this a little bit lopsided like that. I want to keep it away from that valley maybe a little bit. And we're going to turn off slope on all of this. Define slope. And we'll click the checkbox here and we'll just see where that roof lands. So it's kind of up in the air here. Let's go to our left view. And let's lower this down a little bit to something like that. And let's change that roof type to be, what's this one here? This one is flat roof felt. Flat roof felt, there we go. So maybe we'll lower down just a little bit more. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the modify button here, and I'm going to probably raise up this one to that level there. And we're going to raise this one up even higher. So maybe do like 1800, and then maybe raise this one up to 1800 as well. And so now we have this piece of the roof that kind of flips open there. And what we can do with that now is we can go back to our top view and we can actually cut open the roof in that area. And so we want to cut this roof, and we want to cut it with these lines here. And this one can go along here. So, and now when we look at that side, it kind of flips open a little bit. And now we can potentially extend this glazing up a little bit higher. So maybe we'd go attach top to base and delete element there. Oh, it doesn't want us to attach top to base. Oh, it's just deleting the mullion at the top here. Let's see if we can add that back in. And then maybe this part of the wall opening gets deleted. So we'll delete that, break that, and fix that like that. So I'll delete that piece there. And that's kind of another way to be kind of fun with that. We probably want to model side pieces there, but in general, that's let's just do that quickly. But that's kind of another way we could, create some more light in this space and maybe be a bit more interesting. You maybe want to refine how you obviously do that, but I think it's a good start to doing something interesting. So let's just model a little wall here, like that, and we'll model it back in like so. And we'll do that over here. Use the space bar to flip that. And let's go to our 3D view. And we'll attach these to base first. And it might not let us do it actually because they're not completely over, but we can definitely attach top. And it doesn't want to let us attach top. So I think let's maybe take this down to lowest point. And then let's go attach top. Yeah. So that's going to be difficult. We probably just want to use the edit profile button and get this down. Use that as a way to fix it. Obviously this is a bit of a complex piece of geometry, so it's giving us a little bit of fun because of that. So but now we can have this little triangle piece to block off that part of the wall. And we just do the same thing on the other side. So that's kind of another way to kind of edit the roof profile and do something different with it.